we are going to be looking at a very important topic, and I need each and every one of you listening to the sound of my voice to pay close attention to this video. This is a video you wouldn't want to miss. When you hear ToToo, what is the first thing that comes into your mind as a man? This is actually a question a brilliant student of mine asked. And he says, Rhoda, I want to know what ToToo is all about, what the almighty Kpekus is all about, the type, and what it serves. When you hear that name, the first thing that comes into your mind is, oh, I want to knack. I want to eat it. Okay, because this is where you shook your perk. So quickly, let me give you the scientific definition of what the holy place is. V is a flexible muscular canal that connects the uterus to the outer part of the body, which play the important role of menstruation, childbirth, and sexual activities. Some definitions will say it is an elastic tube that connects the cervix to the lower part of the uterus to outside the body, and the purpose and what is used for the importance of V. It's for menstruation, for sexual activities, and for childbirth. The fact that it is an elastic tube is the reason why when a woman wants to give birth, it will open its mouth wide and vomit out the baby with ease, without stress. That is because it stretches. Anything that has an elastic has the capability or capacity of expanding, of stretching with ease without any problem. That is why at times when I see men beating Kpekus when they are knacking, rather than to knack Kpekus well, make the woman body calm, make they humble the woman with a prick, make the holy place know that there is a work engine that passed through here today. That is why it baffles me, because it is an elastic tube that has the capability to stretch, to expand. No matter how small, no matter how big that your baby man is, when it is time for you want to knack, it will definitely open the mouth and receive that your baby man with ease, without stress, most especially when the thing is already full of water. The water is dropping, or the place is flooded with water. Just do vim, it will go in without any stress, without any problem. Every man that God created cannot do without ToToo. You understand me? If you go throughout a week without shooking down your engine there, bro, your body could tell you. Now that you know what it is, or the meaning and what is useful, let us dive straight into different types of holy place. But before we dive right into it, I'm Rhoda-b and you are welcome to my channel. What I discuss here, I give relationship tips, knack tips that can help you understand and master your woman better when it comes to knack. If this sounds like what you want to be learning from, smash that your subscription bell. Turn your notification bell on to get notified whenever I drop a new video. My returning subscriber, I see all you do and I love you. God bless you. So quickly, what are different types of Kpekus? Number one, we have the narrow one. The narrow, the shallow, that one is very, very tight. You understand me? That kind of ToToo, if it does not pour water, if you are a guy with small or big cucumber, it will never go in, because of how tight the thing is, because of how the place is really close to each other. You feel me? And such women that has that type of kpekus are chubby and thick ladies. You understand me? That is why you see that whenever you want to knack such women, if you do not wash plates, if you do not lick ToToo, the place will not pour water, or you apply lube. You understand? If not, for you to shook your prick is going to be very, very difficult for you. That is why you see that such women or such ladies, they don't really fancy too much, shooking of your prick inside the ToToo. They prefer and find it more preferable when you lick kpekus, when you wash plates, eat oranges, use your finger again to zanzan the ToToo. They prefer that one. In fact, it is the best way of knacking than you shooking your prick. Now that you know that type of holy place with women that mostly, to have it. The second type is the deeper and wider ToToo. And women that are slim are women that has it. You see such holy place, if you don't have a longer joystick, you're going to find it very difficult to satisfy or please such women. You understand? Because you are going to lose inside the hole because of how everything, the made up or the makeup of the place. You feel me? Most especially if you are a guy with a lot of techniques, with a lot of knack skills, that you really, really know how to tune the woman or put the woman in that motion. Oh my goodness. The place will continue to pour water and everywhere will be flooded. Then if you are a guy with big bowler, you will be able to knack that kpekus. You'll be able to use your prick to mop the water. You will humble, surrender the woman, calm the woman with your prick, and she go knows that yes, a good and an amazing man actually pleases her or please her today. You understand? And you see such women, they like prick. Even though they will want you to lick plate, they want you to eat oranges, they want you to, zanzan the kpekus, but they go still always want make you shook your prick. Make you, knack nonsense come off for that body. Make you humble them, make you calm, whatever way they do, make them go gaga. You understand me? That is why I usually tell guys that if you want to deal with women that has a bigger ToToo, you must be ready for work, because these people that are everly ready for prick. You understand? Before I continue, there was this guy that was on my DM yesterday. He says he wants to make the size and the inches of his baby man become obvious and more tender. I've made a video related to that. Fruits, exercise, and things you should do on daily basis. I don't know whether it's on this channel or the other channel. Please look for that video and watch it. You understand? I don't want to be repeating the same thing over and over again. I've made videos on it. So as I was saying, he was telling me that, oh, there was this slim, tall, beautiful lady he recently, came in touch with, and he loves the lady so much. And the problem he's having is the fact that his baby man, it's not encouraging. Because according to him, he said he has had an experience like that in the past. That the lady that he was dating before, was actually cheating or looking elsewhere simply because of because of how his baby man looks. And he said he is the type that usually like slim ladies. And slim ladies, they carry almighty engine now. That whole no be here. So if you are that kind of a person that yours is no longer pencil, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to please such women. He said that relationship actually parted ways because he is always unable to please her. when he comes to Nakilulu. He said he's good in washing of the plate, he's good in using finger tools, and even at times he will want to use three and everything will reach the depth. And when he's doing that, say he kiss, he do a lot of things just to please her, just to make her happy. But due to the kind of lady that she is, that even after doing all those, foreplay, all those romance, all those care, all those, showing that you are a good and an amazing guy, if you never shook your prick to knack that Kpekus, that's the way they make her go gaga, way they make her do Chris. If you never use your prick flog, that ToToo comot, make you humble, calm her down, she no go know say person knack. That is how such women are wired. You can't question them. That is how God created them. I'm telling you, I'm giving you as an assignment now. If you are with a lady who is slim tall, you will be able to relate to what I'm saying. There is even a scientific backup to what I just explained. Go to Google or go to ChatGPT. Okay? Go to ChatGPT. Go and learn them. Most of the teachings I come here to teach, I research. Like this question, the brother says he wants to know what Kpekus is all about, the type and the uses of it. I Google it. Although I know what it is, but I have to just, Google and read more to understand, just to summarize it. You understand me? So such women, you don't blame them. So if you have that kind of baby man, the kind of knacking style you should always do, not be mommy and daddy where all everybody they do. That kind thing na dog style you go dey use for am, because no matter how your prick is small reach, if you position or you place a woman, make she just hold on to something, make you shook your own form, make you shook your prick from backyard, she go speak in tongues, even no matter how the hole even deep reach. You understand? This is just a tips, a chipping to what I'm saying. For those of you that have it small, I don't know the kind of teaching I will teach again. Do exercise, eat food that can increase blood flow, regular circulation of blood. And if you have big stomach, learn to burn body fat, because that stomach alone is taking half of your prick. You understand me? So that is by the way. Let's go back to our topic, which is war, holy place, the type, and what is used for. It's just a summary I want to summarize now, because this video is already long. Like I said earlier, that V is a muscular canal that connects the uterus to the outside body, which play the important role of, menstruation, childbirth, and for sexual activities. Some definitions say is an elastic tube that connect the cervix to the lower part of the uterus to the outside part of the body. And the uses are also the same thing. What you use ToToo for, what ToToo is meant for mainly. Now for knack, shook your prick, do whatever you want to do, bench very well, make the ToToo calm down. And another thing for childbirth and for menstruation. These are the three uses of it. Nothing else. You don't urinate from that area. The urinary canal or tract is different from where you dey shook your prick. You feel me? So this brother, I love your question. You are very intelligent student. If you have any video request or have any question, drop it at the comment section. I will attend to your question. So please, I deserve bravo for this. I remain your able coach, Rhoda-b, your coach on the things of the other room and your relationship coach. I will see you in my next lecture. Bye for now.